Welcome to SA Easewithtech, the place where we make technology simple, practical, and stress-free. If you're tired of wasting time and effort, we'll show you the smart tools and tips that actually make life easier. From home upgrades to DIY hacks, we test it, simplify it, and show you how it works. So you can save time, save money, and get it done with ease. Have you ever started a painting project thinking it would only take a few hours, and then realized you've lost your entire weekend to brushes and rollers? Yeah. We've all been there. It's messy, slow, and exhausting. But here's a smarter way to get it done. This is the 850-watt HVLP Paint Sprayer with a 1,400 milliliter container. And if you've ever wished painting could be faster, cleaner, and just easier, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Instead of spending hours brushing every corner, the sprayer gives you smooth, even coverage in minutes, saving time, saving paint, and saving your energy. Time saver. With 850 watts of power and a large 1,400 milliliter container, you can cover big surfaces without constantly stopping to refill. Professional finish. Forget the streaks and drips of brushes. This sprayer gives a clean, professional look even if you've never used one before. Customizable for any project. It comes with 4 different nozzles and 2 spray patterns, so whether you're painting fences, sheds, furniture, or even detailed edges, you're in control, portable, and easy to clean. And when you're done, the container pops right off for easy cleanup. No more scrubbing brushes for hours, so if you're tired of wasting weekends painting the slow way, this little machine could change the way you tackle your DIY projects. It saves time, money on paint, and a whole lot of frustration. Thanks for watching SA Easewithtech, where we make tech simple and life easier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the next smart solution. Until next time, keep making life easier with tech.